Is iPhone 17 worth the hype? That's the question on everyone's mind. Apple just dropped its latest lineup. I've spent the last week diving deep details, reviews, hands-on leaks. If you're thinking about upgrading or just love a good tech showdown, let's break down exactly what's changed and whether the iPhone 17 is worth your money. First up, design. Apple's taken a bold step here. The iPhone 17 lineup is slimmer, lighter, comes in this wild new titanium blue finish. The bezels? Practically invisible now. Side by side with the iPhone 16, it's almost like the phone's all screen. And yes, the mute switch is officially gone, replaced with a customizable action button, which is honestly more useful than I expected. Now, about those cameras. The iPhone 17 Pro gets the new UltraVision 48-megapixel sensor. Low light shots? Insane. There's a new 6x optical zoom. The AI smart capture mode is everywhere. One leak called it, quote, the closest thing to a professional camera I've held in a phone. The standard iPhone 17 Plus? They get upgraded sensors too, but the Pro models are definitely flexing harder this year. Display time. If you thought last year's OLED was good, the new Promotion XDR display is even brighter, with true 1600 nits peak. Animations are buttery smooth thanks to 120Hz refresh on all models, not just the Pros. And yes, the dynamic island is smaller and more functional, so it actually feels less like a distraction now. What about battery life? Apple claims you'll get up to 2 extra hours thanks to the new A18 chip and some battery wizardry. Real-world tests? Mixed. Most reviewers say it's solid, a full day easily. But don't expect a 2-day marathon. Pricing? Always a big one. The iPhone 17 starts at $899, a $50 bump over the 16. The Pro models push up to $1,199 for base storage. It's not cheap, but Apple's betting the new features will win you over. So, what's the vibe online? Early reviews are mostly positive. People are hyped about the new design and camera, but there's a lot of chatter about that price jump. One popular tech reviewer said, "It's the best iPhone yet, but it doesn't completely reinvent the wheel." So, is the iPhone 17 worth the hype? If you're on an iPhone 15 or older, the upgrades feel substantial, especially the design and camera. But if you just grabbed a 16, you might want to hang tight unless those new features are calling your name. Either way, Apple's making it harder than ever to resist. Which side are you on? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.